My name is Lawrence Holder. I'm an action sport photographer, and right now I'm back home. I normally used to travel around the world, get images of athletes doing their sport. But this year it was a little bit different. I was home pretty much the whole time. And I started to get like a little frustrated about not being able to capture images how I was used to. So I developed an own project, a personal project. I called it the Flip Side, and it all pretty much began with a skateboarding photo I shot of my girlfriend down from the balcony. And when I saw the image, I flipped it around 180 degrees, and it just gave it a little bit of a surreal look. And when I looked at the image, I felt like this is exactly the mood that I felt, and how weird everything was around us. And so I continued with that personal project and shot a couple more skateboarding images. And then at one time we visited some relatives of us, and they had a pool back home. And I thought this is such a good opportunity to get creative and shoot some more images in that pool in the same way. And during that shoot, we really we got creative in so many ways. We thought about we could do a spray, like a snowboarding spray under the water. So we got creative with making a spray. And at the end we got some really good, cool, surreal looking images, portraits, action, skateboarding, everything within one day in that pool. And that was just a cool way to get back to shooting. And then at one point I had the idea to involve the kids as well, because for them it was all new. They had never experienced something like this. They were home with me, with the family. I was a teacher, school was closed, and so I thought it would be a cool idea to get some images of them as well. And that's the plan that we're gonna do right now. So I'm gonna take you with me to the skate park with the kids, and we're gonna try to get the last pictures for that personal project on camera. And I think it will be fun. Okay, so we just arrived at the skate park. The kids are warming up now in the background, and I want to give you a little bit of an idea of how special this is actually to me, to shoot my own kids in the same way I would shoot professionals. This could be also a really good inspiration maybe for you if you take your kids to the skate park or to the forest or wherever you go. Just try to be creative and maybe see something different. Do it a little bit different than you normally would do. And the idea here is I found that white-red striped pool in the background, and I'm gonna create a little water splash in the middle and try to get a reflection of my kids in that water splash and make a little bit of a surreal image. And let's see if we can make some magic happen. Okay, so we're done with the shooting now, and I think we got some good stuff. Kids had fun and pretty much felt like shooting professionals actually, because they were not really patient, so I only had a couple of tries to get the shot. And same thing what you often experience when you're shooting with professionals, you only have a couple of tries. But it was fun. I had a good time, kids had a good time, and it would be fun to see your shots, what you can create. Just be creative, go out there, find new angles, and if you want, you can upload them on Instagram using hashtag Canon Connected. You can tag me as well at Lawrence Holder, and I will have a look at them, give you some feedback. Thanks.